I don't think it was like booming loud.
I am literally in Minecraft. Look at the scale of this. Alright, I just got all the parts to make my movie setup. So here we have our subwoofers, audio amplifier, 100 amp hour 12 volt battery, projector, and high range speakers, battery charger, and other things we definitely don't need. Let's load them up into the cart. I'll be using this cart that I reviewed in my last video to house all the components. Let's load them up. A Scar Audio 800 watt amplifier, and this is what we're going to use to drive the subwoofers. We're going to connect up the subwoofer wires, and it's very important when you're connecting up dual subwoofers to make sure they're both the same polarity. Otherwise, when you play bass notes in your music, the one speaker will cancel out the other, and the sound will be greatly reduced. Let's connect up our power leads. With most large amplifiers, you need a remote, which is basically just a wire bridged to the positive or negative terminal. This is a 100 amp hour 12 volt battery, and we're going to be using it to drive the audio and speakers because they just use so much power. And I don't want to buy a power supply to support that. So let's go right here. And we've got a blue light on our amplifier. We're going to be using these connectors to hook up the audio input. For a while, and these are some pretty nice studio speakers. These cost about $100, which is awesome, and the sound is just phenomenal. Now I'll use this splitter and I'll connect them both in. And the splitter will split the audio to both the subwoofer and the normal speakers. Alright, well, we got the speakers right here and right here, and I'm gonna put them in with baling wire. So I'm basically going to attach the speakers to the frame right here so they don't wiggle loose while this thing is being ridden around. Here we have our projector. I got a steal on this one, and it was only $250. This is a 5,000 lumen projector in 1080p with 20,000:1 contrast quality. For anyone who doesn't know anything about projectors, that's very good. I'll be mounting the projector right here. Now, of course, we're gonna have a support underneath, and it's gonna look something like this. One of the last things for our build is this 12 volt charger. This is made to charge car batteries, but it will also work for our purposes. Right now, as you can see, it's a jumbled mess of wires, but that's going to change shortly. Let's hook plus to plus and negative to negative. And this will just sit right down here. You can tell there's a lot of stuff to plug in. So here I have a power strip, and that's going to be mounted right here. And we're just going to zip tie that in place. So first off, we have the projector. And it'll be plugged in right here. Now I got the charger. There. We have the speakers. Right here. And then the other port's gonna be used for a USB charger, a computer charger, because we're gonna need a computer to charge all this, and a doohickey here. I'm gonna hook up the HDMI cable, and this is just gonna go to the computer. So you plug this into your computer, this is your audio, and then you plug this in, this is your video, and you've basically got a home theater setup. This is gonna be awesome. I am in Minecraft right now, guys. I am literally in Minecraft. Holy fucking shit! Let's get the scale of this. Hello, what's up?
Watching anything good?
Yeah, watching a movie. Yeah. Seriously? Oh man. What's it called?
Weathering with you?
Weathering with You. Yeah. Yeah.
I dig the setup.
It's pretty cool, right? Yeah. Was it too loud for them, or was it too bright for them, or what?
It was too loud.
Oh, man, we had it so quiet.
I know.
Which one was it?
It's so fucking good, dude.
Look at you guys, huh?
Yeah.
You guys are in engineering, but I do an act.
Oh, wow.
You guys did everything right but one thing.
Which one? Too noisy?
Yeah, you guys could have done the exact same thing, but then Bluetooth headphones.
Oh, shoot. That's actually a good idea.
Yeah.
I'll have to invest in this.
Sound
Damn.
travels. The larger the speaker, the further the sound.
Yeah, I get that.
If it's flat like this.
Oh, yeah. The battery is to power the audio speaker. You can see right here. 12 volts, audio amp, speakers, whole deal.
Where were you guys sitting?
What's up?
Where were you sitting?
Right here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. We didn't think it was that loud. It's crazy that they could hear it, actually.
I don't think it was like booming loud. 'Cause you can do.
Oh, man.
Arcing.
Yeah, it's all chill. Got a little voltage
Hello, David.
spike.
Don't
Don't worry
burn
about that.
yourself, man.
Nah, I'm good.
Watch it. That's hot.
Yeah, don't worry. Can't have shit in Detroit.
Videotaping or?
Yeah, it's kind of like a project. Shit, we had on for like 5 fucking minutes, dude. 5 minutes, and they put 2 cops on our ass.
I saw a car pulling up. And I'm like, if that's the cops, there's no way.
Dude,
It's been like 5 minutes.
way, dude. Ready? And that is a golden thumbnail. Perfect. Now get this way, this way. Walk it. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Hurry, 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 hurry.